haul video, and I'm just so excited to show you the things that I got. I'm sorry if I sound really terrible. I'm not feeling well tonight, and I'm so tired also. Well, I just can't wait to film this and show it to you, the things that I got. I went to Nature Republic store here in Korea, and I'm so impressed and happy to buy a few things from that store, and yeah, so let's just get started. So first, I got this two-way powder, two-way cake powder, and the packaging looks like this one. And you just push button like that, and that's how it looks. It comes with a puff, and that's the powder. Next thing is this blush, and it's actually really nice. It comes with this brush right there, and this is how it looks like. It's like that. It's really nice. It's a nice color for summer. Also, I got this shimmer cream shadow, and I'm really impressed with the packaging. I really like it. This is how it looks like. This is in number 2, and it opened like that. See? The packaging is really nice. Also, I got number 3. I think this is the yeah, this is the color. And okay, let me swatch just a little bit for you guys. This is the pigmentation. It's a cream shadow. I don't know if you can see that, but it is very pigmented, and I like it. I'm very impressed, and it is not expensive. So I got myself this powder. Packaging looks like this one. It's really cute, and this is how it looks like. It has 4 colors. I don't know if you can see the colors, but like that. Comes with poof. Haven't opened it yet, so that's the color in there. It's really nice, isn't it? And then I also got some this eyebrow pencil. See how cute that is, and it's in color brown like that. And also I got collagen masks, and the 3 tea tree masks. Also a clear nose patch, and morning herb smoothie pack in green tea and aloe. This is how it looks like. And let me just show you. This is what's inside. Right. Also, last I got this 3D firming talks eye cream. This is how it looks like in a purple bottle. So I'm really excited to try all of this. Like, I really want to buy, you know, everything in that store because everything is just so cute. But we'll see if I'll like all of this, and I might go back and buy more things from them. And then they gave me this BB cream samples that I asked them to give it to me because I really want to try BB creams, and I just don't want to buy because I've like 4 BB creams right now, and I just want to try. If it's okay, then I might buy. So they gave me this samples. This is a Polynesia Lagoon Water toner and a emulsion. Also, they gave me this really cute pouch from them, and also it's like a jewelry box. This one, it is really cute, and I love that store. And I will definitely gonna go back there and buy more stuff from that store because I really like their packaging, and it's not that expensive. So I hope you guys like my video, and thank you for watching. If you have any question, just let me know and I'll try my best to